Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about cauliflower, and I have a list of specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to go well with cauliflower. So if you're looking for some meal or recipe ideas, something to do with that extra cauliflower that you have, hopefully this will help you out. Now the list is long, so I've broken it up into two parts, and this is part one. Combine cauliflower with almonds and barley, or cauliflower with almonds, browned butter, and lemon, cauliflower with balsamic vinegar, garlic, olive oil, and raisins, cauliflower with breadcrumbs, capers, lemon, and parsley, cauliflower with Brussels sprouts, capers, and lemon, cauliflower with Brussels sprouts, garlic, olive oil, and rosemary, cauliflower with capers, green olives, lemon, and olive oil, cauliflower with cashews, cilantro, coconut, nut milk of choice, onions, and turmeric, cauliflower with cheddar cheese and mustard, cauliflower with cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, parsley, and pasta. Well, stay tuned for part two. I sure hope this helps you out. Bye for now.